contact point between the two of them. Kind of imagine.
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Laclede County, western Pulaski County, southeastern Camden County until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Richland, or 14 miles west of Waynesville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Richland, Crocker, Stoutland, Swadeboard, Ozark Springs, Sleeper, Montreal, and Wet Glade. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 137 and 151. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Camden, Laclede, and Pulaski.
Lurch out towards the Pacific.